Good morning. Friends, today for word work, you have a new list of words to work with, okay? It's our Cycle 20 list. I've linked it on Facebook right below the video. If you don't have your packet yet, it's there. It's here for you to use, but it's our Cycle 20 word list. And they are words that have the sound, okay? In some of these words, the sound is created with an ER. Some, it is an IR, and some it is a UR. For example, in the word fern, the sound is created with the ER, FERN. But in the word curb, the sound is created with a UR. And in the word girl, the sound is made with the IR. Okay. So the words all have the sound in them, but they have different letters that go together to make that sound. Today, what I want you to do is to write this list of words down. So you're going to copy down all of the Cycle 19 words, and then I want you to go back with a colored marker or crayon or colored pencil and go over the sound in each word, okay? So in the word fern, like I have here, I would copy over just the ER, okay, in a color, okay? In the word curb, the sound is created with the UR, so I'm going to trace over the UR in curb. And in girl, the IR. I'm going to show you, okay? So you're going to do that with all of your words today and try your very best. And I look forward to seeing your work. Have a great day.